Okay, so I bent this back and now I refit it, so it looks pretty good now. It's not as dented. Now I'm going to attempt to fix this piece, this little bent piece over here. Alright, so here it is. That's the setup. I'm just going to see if I can jack it up this way. Oh, it's bending over there. This side is actually falling down and that side's going up kind of. Let me try a little bit more. Nope, seems to be doing pretty good. Okay, so far I don't think I could do much more. This part came out pretty good. It's pretty high right now. I'm gonna go outside and check. This has been much better. And now it's coming up, so I kind of need to lower it a little bit. Alright, so I'm gonna be using these body panel hammers just to hammer these little aluminum dents back in. Alright, so it came out pretty good. All the dents are removed. Well, not removed, but at least this side the dents are removed. This I kind of need a little bit of help on, where somebody's jacking it up and I got to push it in, but ultimately from a distance it actually looks pretty good. So I'm gonna say it's a success for now, and then I'll plan for future fixes when I have a friend over or something. Alright, now that the shed is semi-usable, which it's always been, but it looks pretty decent now, I'm gonna start moving all his power wheels and all this riding stuff, bikes and everything, into the shed. All the big pieces I'm going to be moving into the shed, that way it'll be out of my way, and probably all these shovels, because I doubt it's going to be snowing anytime soon. So I'm going to be moving all that stuff over. Hopefully I could start getting cleaned, and I need to buy some concrete filler. I read that you need some expandable ones, because so I got some cracks on the ground like this. So before I paint, I kind of need to fill these in. Well, clean the ground, then fill these cracks in, and I should be good to go. So this Jeep used to be one of those Barbie doll Jeeps. Now I completely took it apart, painted it. So if you could still see inside, I think you might still be able to see that it's pink. It's very hard to see, but it is still pink, but made it black, red theme, and it also runs off a car battery because the battery's dead. So the car battery goes here, and then I use Trex motors, so I swapped out the motors. This was in a flood. I got it for free. I just swapped out the motors, swapped out the battery, and changed it, and I'm using a little tiny Miata battery. You guys know those things are tiny, so yeah, it fits right underneath the seat. I do have what do you call those things, fuses and everything, just so it doesn't go crazy. But yeah, this thing's pretty powerful, pretty fun. So here it is, pretty clean for now. I still got a bunch of stuff to move out, but it gives me a little bit of a workspace, so I could start using that wood for my deck, finish the deck, and then I could do a lot of other stuff. But yeah, it gives me room to start working now. Alright, so one of the things I should be doing is testing this guy that I got yesterday. I haven't had a chance, it was late last night, but since it's from Amazon and it's cheap, and I read some regards to, you know, DOA and stuff like that, I might as well just plug it in, check it before it gets too late and I can't return it anymore. We all know that problem that I have with, you know. So let's get going. This uses a standard CPU, you know, the ones for our computer, the 3-prong at the end. This guy also comes with these, the ones where you have the prongs in, and alligator clips. You can buy more and extra stuff without prongs and such. I'm also using a multimeter just to test the voltage at the end, just to make sure, because sometimes it could say it's 12 volts but it comes out 0. Okay. So it's showing on this guy 10.49. This is showing 10.4. This is saying 13.62. Let me see if I can adjust that. You see that? 13.7, 14.6, 14.8, but it is working. It's not a DOA unit, and I'm reading the voltage fine, so I'm pretty happy about that for now. So until I get some more testing involved in this, it is working. I don't have to return it, so good for that. I will leave everything in the descriptions for this guy if you are interested in where I got it, and yeah, just check the descriptions. I'll have stuff for this guy. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. It is a little short. I was just doing some yard work. I was trying to fix the rest of that roof. I hope you guys enjoyed that. Again, I will be cleaning out the garage, fixing those little cracks. If you guys could refer me to what type of concrete to use. I know I have to get some expanding ones. And then, and also cleaner. There's so many different types of cleaner. I do have a power washer, so I'm probably going to power wash and use some sort of solution for a power washer. Yeah, hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys next time. So just in case you guys are wondering how am I offloading or counterbalancing this boom pole, I am using my t-shirt. You can get this at my shop. This is actually very useful just to counterbalance if you're not wearing it. Put it on a hanger. You could wear it if you want to go out with it. If you want to counterweight something, you could use that. Check it out. Links in the description below.